Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question and our given question is 125 is to power 3x minus 4 is equals to under root 5 and we will solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should convert these value, which is 125 and under root 5 will be converted into power form, and as a result we will get 5 is to power 3 into 3x minus 4 on the left side of the equation, because this 125 will be converted into 5 cube and 3x minus 4 will be remain same, and this under root x will convert into 5 is to power half. Now in the next step we should compare both of these values, because as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal in magnitude then their power are also equal. So here we apply the same rule and we will multiply both of these value. As a result we will get, after comparison we get these values, or we will take both of these power equal and we will multiply both of these value together. 3 into 3 will be equal to 9x minus 3 into 4 will be equal to 12, and the half will remain same. Now in the next step this minus 12 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into positive 12. And now in the next step we should make one fraction both of these value. As a result we will get 1 plus 24 over 2, because this 2 will multiply with this 12, it will convert into 24, 1 will be remain same, and over 2 we will get in denominator. Now this 1 plus 24 will be equal to 25, and this 9 will move from here to here, and this 9 will divide this whole fraction with this 2, and as a result we will get 2 into 9. Now in the next step this 2 into 9 will multiply and we will get the value of x, which is x is equals to 25 over 18, and which is the answer for this equation. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and for more interesting and useful videos please visit my channel AMS. Thank you.